In this video, we are going to make a different kinds of bun. So here we are using this way to making a bun. So just here we are making a half ponytail, inserting in this way. Now the rest of the hair we are making a side braid, folding it up in this way. It's ready, beautifully done. In the next, again we are using the same way to making a bun. So just the difference is that we are pinching out the each side braid in this way, as you can see, beautifully done. Now folding it up in this way, as you can see in the video. Tuck it up with the help of baby pin. Now pinching out the front part of the hair in this way. It creates this style. In the next, we are dividing hair into two parts. Now twisting it up, rotate it and tuck it up with the help of clip. You can choose any kind of clip as per your choice. In the next, we are making a half bun. So just making a half ponytail, folding it up and now dividing into two parts, applying a clip in this way. Beautifully done. In the next, we are using this way to making a bun. So here we are making a side braid, as you can see in the video. Now tying it up with the rubber band and using the rest of the hair in this way, folding it up and tuck it up with the help of clip, as you can see in the video. Beautifully done. Again, we are using the same way to making a bun. So just inserting it up. Now taking the rest of the hair and applying a rubber band, folding it up. Now inserting the all together in this way. In the next, we are making a half ponytail hairstyle. So just making a half ponytail and taking each side of the hair, making a braid. It's ready. In the next, we are using this way to make the bun. So just making a side braid, folding it up, tuck it up with baby pin. It's ready. Now here we are making a ponytail hairstyle. So just taking the each part of the hair and tying it up with rubber band. It's ready. Now here we are making a open hairstyle. So just using rubber and inserting in this way, that creates this style, as you can see in the video. It's ready, beautifully done. Now here we are making a half ponytail and twisting it up in this way. Now taking the rest of the hair, inserting into it. Now making a braid, folding it up, insert into the bun. Beautifully done. It's ready. Again, we are using the same way to make the bun. So here we are making a side ponytail, taking each ponytail in this way, inserting into the bun. Now again we are doing the same and insert into the bun. The rest hair into it, tuck it up with beautiful clip. Beautifully done. Now here we are using the same way to make the bun. So just making a side braid, pinching it up, folding in this way, as you can see in the video. It's ready, beautifully done. Here we have divided a hair into three parts, making the ponytail of the back side hair and inserting in this way. Now folding it up. It's ready. Now taking the rest hair, making the side braid and folding it up in this way, as you can see in the video. Another way of the bun is ready. Here we are making again a half ponytail, twisting it up. Now taking all the hair together and making the braid, folding it up. It's ready. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.